Hello, today we're going to learn how to use commands and giving instructions. We use commands when we want to tell someone to do something. For example, open the door. If we add please at the end, then this becomes a polite request. Open the door, please. However, when you want someone to do something, it is better to form the request as a question and not to use an imperative. Such as, can you turn the volume down, please? We also use imperatives when giving instructions on how to do something. We do not need to use polite language when giving instructions because we are helping the other person rather than asking for something. For example, here are the instructions how to make a cake. First, measure the ingredients. Then, mix the ingredients. We will also use imperatives when giving directions on how to get somewhere. For example, go straight 2 blocks or turn on the left. Okay guys, thanks for watching me and listening to me, and I hope this lessons helps you to recognize and use commands and instructions. Bye bye.